Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use notes, reminders and calendar on your Apple Watch Ultra 3. First of all, open the list of all apps by pressing the digital crown once and then scrolling to the first app, which in my case will be calendar, as it is on the very top of the list. Once you enter calendar, you'll see one of the calendar views. If you don't like this view that you see in front of you, you can simply press the three-dot icon in the bottom right corner of the screen and select the other view for your calendar. You can choose between month, week, day, list and up next. If you have any up next, will show you the next event in your calendar. Now if you want to add an event to your calendar, you have to simply press the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then enter the title, the location, switch the toggle if it's the all-day event. In order to enter the title, you have to simply press this option and then enter your title by either inputting it with your voice, or instead you can use the keyboard option or the manual input option. Then click done to confirm. I'm gonna cancel this one. Then you can also change the start date by selecting the value right here, the end end date, the end time, the repeat if you have to repeat this, if this event repeats itself once a year, for example. Also in calendar you can choose where you want to see these events, so both for your Google Mail and your iCloud. You can choose the places where you want this event to be seen. Below you can also add some invitees by selecting this option and then clicking add invitees, and then tap the icon, the contact icon, and select the contacts that you want to invite from the list. And you can also set an alert for your event and select when you want to see the alert about this event, and also add some notes by selecting notes at the very bottom of the list and then providing your notes into this field. And then once you add a new event, it will be seen in your calendar. And that's basically how the calendar works. So now let's move to the following application, which is the Notes application. It's pretty simple in use, so you just have to open it, and now you can scroll between the notes using your digital crown. If you want to read some note, you have to tap on it, and if you want to add a new note to your Notes app, press the icon in the bottom right corner of the screen and then provide a new note right here into this field. Then click done when you're done. And that's how this app works. Now as for the Reminders app, you're gonna see a bunch of different lists for reminders. If you already entered reminders on your iPhone, then you can add a reminder by tapping the plus icon at the very bottom of this list, or just select the list that you want to add the reminder to, scroll to the bottom of it. Okay, so these are completed, I cannot add to completed. For example, all reminders, then scroll to the very bottom of this list and tap add reminder, and this will also add a reminder to this specific list. To add reminder, click done, and that's basically it. Besides, I forgot to mention that once you enter the applications for the first time, you're gonna have to decide whether you want to share your location with this application, and also allow or disallow notifications for this app. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.